Current Affair March 2025. Pakistan ranked of polluted countries of world on the basis of World Air Quality Report 2025. The rank of Pakistan top 5 countries, top 10, top 20. The correct answer Pakistan including into top 5 countries according to the report of World Air Quality Report 2025. Basically Pakistan rank is round about 5th Lahore city, Pakistan. Who is the highest spiritual leader and head of Tibetan Buddhism? Dalai Lama, Sri Sir, Deepika. The correct answer Lama. Dalai Lama was the highest spiritual leader and head of Tibetan Buddhism. When was Google Wallet app launched in Pakistan? March 11, March 12, March 13. The correct answer March 12. Google Wallet app was launched in Pakistan March 12, 2025. Which Pakistani architect declined the 2025 Wolf Prize from Israel? Yasmin Lari, Habib Fida Ali, Hamad Hussain. The correct answer, Yasmin Lari, was declined to receive a architecture award Wolf Prize from Israel. Who is current Pakistan ambassador to UNO? Ambassador Munir Akram, Ambassador Bilal Ahmed, Ambassador Sahibzada Ahmed Khan. The correct answer, Ambassador Munir Akram was current Pakistan ambassador to UN. US-Ukraine hold talks in Saudi Arabia after which reason? Major drone attack on Russia, Russia boycotted, Russia disagreed to America. The correct answer, major drone attack on Russia. After this, US-Ukraine talks holds, which are held in Saudi Arabia. Pakistan remittance increases up to percentage in February 2025, 10%, 30%, 40%. The government in Pakistan 40% remittance increases in February 2025. Who is the current Pakistan Defence Minister? Pervez Khattak, Khwaja Mohammad Asif, Ahmed Mukhtar. The correct answer, Khwaja Mohammad Asif was currently working as Pakistan Defence Minister March 2025. Which countries participated in the nuclear talks held in Beijing, China, March 15, 2025? China, Russia, Iran, China, Iran, Iran, China, Pakistan, Iran. The correct answer, countries China, Russia, and Iran participated in talks of nuclear in Beijing, China, March 15, 2025. Which action did NASA take on Tuesday by following the President Trump's order? Dismiss its chief scientists and other, increase funding for climate research, launched a new satellite, change research priorities. The correct answer is its chief scientists and others by the following the order of President Trump's order in March 2025. Thank you very much.